Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the hinge cap from a Dell Latitude 7280. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and remove bottom base. Then unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect and remove wireless card. Now unscrew bracket and disconnect display cable. Then unscrew and remove display assembly. Now disconnect and remove screen. Then pry apart and remove hinge cover. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.